This is aircraftscales.com. Today we're going to show you a short video for the use of our M2400 series light drone, UAV and UAS wireless scale system. From the start screen, we have launched our software. It has taken us to the desktop where our software will load. Once the software loads, you will see that all of our wireless scales are in sleep mode. Using the sleep wake command, we will now sleep wake command to wake, and you see that all of our scales have now come alive. However, they are showing weight numbers. With no weight on the scale, we will perform the zeroing process, in which we zero and command each scale to now read gross. With the scale in the gross mode, we are now ready to apply our weight to the unit. In this case, we're going to put a 50-pound weight followed by a 5-pound weight on top of the scale. 55 pounds is a breakover point for drones currently, and we are demonstrating our maximum legal weight limit to weigh your drone. Here I'm going to add a 1-pound weight to show you the response of the scale, and I will also add a 0.1 pound weight. And as you can see, at 55 to 56 pounds, the 1-pound increment and the 1/10 of 1 pound increment. Now this scale is also capable of reaching much higher weights. In fact, it can go upwards of 320 pounds. To demonstrate, we will now put an additional 50 pounds of weight on the scale unit. For our larger commercial drone applications, you can see that we are now at 100 pounds, and we will again put the 1-pound weight on, and we will again put a 1/10 of 1 pound weight on. So you can see the scale is completely responsive throughout the range. In addition to this view, we also have a mapping function and mapping view. Here is a map of a popular drone that's used for photography purposes as well as other purposes. In the top left corner, you can see our maximum or total weight of 101.1. In the left side, you see our forward corner weights indicated in red and blue. Also displaced on the drone, you see them in red and blue. And in the aft position, you see our orange and green scales. Each of these are live tiles. I will now remove the 0.1 and the 1-pound weight, and you will notice that the scale is responsive and that each one of these tiles responds to any weight change. Camera positioning, load positioning, changes in direction of load can also be monitored in a static situation to determine your center of gravity. This particular mode can also produce a print. We will go up to our reports, we will come to our print page, and we will generate a printed report. Here you can see we have a place for the operator, weighing personnel, inspector, aircraft serial numbers. We will leave that blank. Now we will generate an HTML document. This document will display on your laptop, and here you can see all the data in a printout format. This is a snapshot. This snapshot can also be sent to your printer using your print command. In this case, we will use print preview, and under print preview, it'll generate what our printed document will actually look like for this demonstration. Our document has been manufactured, as you can see here, and from this point we can determine whether we want to print this document, whether we want to save this document and name it under a file and retain it for later. We will now close the printed report, which will take us back to our map. We will now go back to all channels, and you can see that the scale will toggle between our all channels mode as well as our mapping mode. This has been a short demonstration of our capabilities of our wireless system and our small drone, UAV, and UAS weighing system. This is a 4-point system. These scales are available in 4-point, 3-point, and 2-point applications, as well as larger aircraft in the UAV, weight ranges upwards of 10,000 pounds per platform. I'd like to thank you for taking a look at this video, and this concludes our demonstration of our drone, UAV, UAS light scale system. Thank you very much.